Anyways, don't they kind of look like burgers cooking? Because of the texture, like it looks like ground beef.
I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Alright, hey guys, today is Tuesday, June 4th. So, I'm just making myself some breakfast brunch. I guess you can call them vegan pancakes, even though I'm not vegan, but I'm just trying to make something real quick and they sound good. But it's just oats and then banana, and then you put milk, whatever, almond milk or whatever. You can put whatever milk you want. So I'm just trying to do that real quick. I'm trying to think if I want to add anything else like berries, peanut butter, or whatever. Right here, this is actually not coffee, but I'm about to have some coffee in a minute. Okay, why are you whining? You're getting on my nerves. What are you whining for? I'm not, like, you need to wait. So this is dandelion root tea. I've been drinking this almost pretty much every day, mostly at night before I go to bed, but sometimes I'll have a little cup first thing when I get up before I have coffee. Yeah, dandelion root tea, it has all these health benefits. It's good for cleaning out keeping your liver clean and healthy, and I don't know, I've just been doing a lot of research on health lately, and as far as like natural, like things that, certain nutrients and things that we need to keep our body healthy. And one of the main things I'm finding out is the liver. Like, it seems like the liver is like, it all goes back to the liver. If your liver is good, then that kind of is what helps prevent other types of sicknesses and diseases that you might get. But yeah, so from doing research, so dandelion roots and milk thistle is supposed to be really good for your liver, and especially using them both together. So I've been taking milk thistle vitamins and then drinking the dandelion root tea. But anyways, that's like, I don't know, maybe I'll make another separate video on that, about all that type of stuff, like the nutrients and health type of things that I've been researching. But anyways, this is the oatmeal I'm using, quick oats. Yes, I'm just using that, and then I'm just going to add some almond milk to this and see how it comes out. So I just added the almond milk. I added some frozen berries and some peanut butter. So yeah, I don't know how this is going to come out because I never made this before, but I just saw this recipe online and it just looked like it was quick and easy. All you need is oatmeal, banana, and milk. Okay? Alright, so this is them in the pan. I put 2 in there, probably enough for 1 more. I made them kind of small. I sprinkled cinnamon over them because I just remembered I wanted cinnamon. Anyways, don't they kind of look like burgers cooking? Because of the texture, like it looks like ground beef. Alright, so I just flipped them over and then I put the other one in there. So far, they flipped over pretty easy, so I think they might be cooking pretty good. I let one side get a little crispy, but that's okay because I like them a little bit brown, a little bit crispiness. I just flip the other one over. I put a little bit of butter on mine, but of course, if you were actually making these because you're vegan, then you wouldn't put butter on them, right? But I'm not vegan, so I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on them. I'm thinking about you. Boy, bye. Boy, bye. Little fingers up. I'm thinking about you. Okay, here they are. They look pretty good. Yes, but I put butter on them, so don't mind that. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yep, it's pretty good, so I think I'm going to try to make these again another time. Now I have my coffee. My hair's in an afro. I just didn't do my hair though. And it's probably dry. I didn't put no moisturizer in it or nothing. I gotta go moisturize my hair. But look at the color. I've washed it recently. I'm just getting over a freaking migraine. I think my migraines are hormonal because I'm starting to realize I think they come in like a series of headaches. I'm listening to Mila J. Pandora station. Most of the time I'm listening to Beyonce or Rihanna station, but Janae Aiko, that's her sister, her older sister. I put some Aaliyah Mac on my lips. I put a brown, ooh, there's the ice cream truck. Oh wait, can you hear it? Can you hear the ice cream truck? Man, I haven't got ice cream from an ice cream truck since I was a kid. You hear the ice cream truck, Coda? You hear it? What kind of music is that? What kind of music is it playing? Wait, that's a bop. It's like they even got a little bit of bass up in there. You hear those drums? No, I hear a little bit of a... They got like a clap noise in the song. What kind of... Who told you to jump up there? Can you imagine if the ice cream truck was playing City Girls or something? But if I was driving the ice cream truck, that's what I would have. I would have like Tupac playing. Wasn't there a song called Ice Cream? Oh, and there's that Master P song, Mr. Ice Cream Man. No, but there was another song that came out like, Koda, what's going on? Was you chasing a lizard? Did you see the lizard? Where's the lizard? Go get it, go get it. Where's the lizard, Koda? Where's the lizard? Go get it, go get it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where's the lizard? Where's it? Where's it? Where's the lizard? Go get it. Where's the lizard? Where is it? Oh my gosh, Koda. Where'd it go? Where's the lizard? Where's the lizard? Where's the lizard? Where is it? Where is it? Go get it, go get it. Where's the lizard? Where's the lizard? Where's the lizard? Go get it, go get it. Go get it. Go get it, go get it, go get it. Go get it, go get it, go get it, go get it. Okay. I'm kicking back and I'm vibing. I'm chilling. I'm good. Koda, are you taking a dump?
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a ooze. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.